Hello little learners, welcome back. Today we are going to learn something very useful. When to use has and have. Are you ready? Awesome! Let's jump right in. Has and have are words which show possession. That means something belongs to someone. For example, I have a book. He has a pet dog. See, we use has or have to show that something belongs to someone. When do we use has and have? That's super easy. We use has with he, she, it, or a singular noun. We use have with I, you, we, they, or a plural noun. Let's see some examples. He has a red ball. She has a pretty dress. It has a big hump. The car has 4 wheels. Now with have. I have a pencil. You have a sweet smile. We have a big family. They have new shoes. Easy, right? Time for a quick game. I will say a sentence. You shout whether it needs has or have. Ready? Let's go. The girl blank a cat. Correct. The girl has a cat. They blank bicycles. Great! They have bicycles. It blank 4 legs. Awesome! It has 4 legs. I blank 2 eyes. You got it. I have 2 eyes. Ravi blank a kite. Yes, Ravi has a kite. You all are has and have superstars. Now, teachers and parents, here's a simple activity for your little ones. Activity 1. Draw and tell. Ask your child to draw something they have, like a toy or a pet. Then ask them to say a sentence like, I have a teddy bear. He has a ball. Activity 2. Has-have sorting game. Write different sentences on paper strips. Let your child sort them under 2 boxes. One labeled has, one labeled have. It's fun and super easy and helps them learn faster. Yay! You all did a wonderful job today. I hope you enjoyed learning with me as much as I enjoyed teaching you. That's all for now. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.